Hello and welcome to another edition of Formula Food. This time we are cooking for the Italian Grand Prix, technically the second Italian Grand Prix we're having this season. We've already had a race at Imola, it was fantastic, and we revisited the traditional recipe for spaghetti bolognese, or a dish to that effect, technically tagliatelle al ragu. We revisited that one, done it in Series 1, we went back to it, had a look at it, tried it with some of the variances, and yeah, that turned out quite interestingly. You can probably watch that in, got to try and think about how this goes, that corner. Probably wrong, but there might be a link in that corner to go and watch that video. But I'd suggest you stick around because we're now cooking for the Italian Grand Prix at Monza. We have got the big Italian cooking Bible, La Cucina Regionale Italiana, back out. And today, from the big Italian cooking book, we are cooking Ossobuco alla Milanese. From the Lombardia region. Milan was, we cooked risotto alla Milanese when we did this in Series 1. Very nice saffron, rich, buttery, creamy, very cheesy risotto from the Milan area, which is the same area, the Lombardia region, where thinking Monza is. It's been a long day. So, back in the Lombardia region, we're cooking Ossobuco alla Milanese, which is, typically this is done, it's with veal chops. I couldn't get hold of any veal, so I've just got a very nice cut of sirloin Aberdeen Angus, and we're going to be using that in its place. Otherwise, it is incredibly simple. It's very much sort of a braised steak. It's done sort of in a saucepan with butter. You sort of drip it with either beef stock or beef broth or dry white wine if you've got it. I don't have any in at the moment, so I'm going to be using beef stock anyway. Yeah, it's a very simple dish. Very traditional from the region, very sort of the region. It's typically served either with a very nice risotto, a very rich saffrony one, similar to what we did in Series 1, or we will be serving ours with this, polenta. Again, a very common side dish, very common sort of part of Lombardia cooking. So we'll be serving it with polenta, and crucially we'll be doing the extra step of making the gremolata, which is like a sort of salsa sauce that goes on top of the steak, primarily made up of a bit of oil. No, we've got parsley, garlic, and lemon zest. Those are the three main ingredients. Loads of different people have loads of different variations. I'm going by what's in the book, and a bit of salt and pepper as well. So, very simple dish to put together, hopefully, because it's 9 o'clock, it's very late, and I haven't had dinner yet. So I'd very much like to get started. But there we are. Formula Food, we are cooking Ossobuco alla Milanese.